Hello everyone, my name is Sai Mohit. I present AgroConnect, an AI-driven platform for crop trading and microfinance. This project focuses on improving agriculture using technology. It provides a smart and transparent platform for farmers, buyers, and financial institutions. Now let us look at the project overview. This system solves real-world agricultural problems using digital technology and machine learning. Farmers face price instability, lack of transparency, and dependence on middlemen. They also have limited access to financial support. These issues reduce income and affect decision making. AgroConnect is a web platform connecting farmers, buyers, and lenders. It includes crop listings, price prediction, microfinance loans, dashboards, and analytics. It is a web-based system where farmers list crops, buyers purchase them, and financial institutions provide loans. The system manages transactions, calculates risk, and displays dashboards. This is the system architecture of AgroConnect. Users interact through a web interface connected to a backend server. The backend connects to crop trading, price prediction, and microfinance modules. All data is stored in a central database. Now coming to technical details. The backend is built using Python and Flask. Data processing is done using Pandas and NumPy. Frontend uses web technologies for dashboards and user interface. Machine learning analyzes historical data to predict crop prices. It also calculates risk scores for loan approval. Results are shown using dashboard. The main features include crop trading, price prediction, loan system, role-based dashboards, and analytics. This slide shows the outputs. It includes crop listings dashboard, predicted prices, order management system, loan approval status, and graphs. These graphical visualizations help users understand data clearly. In future, the system can include real-time data, mobile applications, federated learning, and explainable AI. In conclusion, AgroConnect improves transparency, reduces middlemen, and helps farmers make better decisions. Thank you.